behind you still. Now, my PC literally scratches when I do my pin codes. Let me show you. Let me play up real quick. And I'm doing my pin. Oh, what I want to do. And this. And this sound pops up. Yeah, every time I do it up and do something, this happens. It won't stop. I can prove it. I have to do this 3 times. And I'll be done. So I have to wait. Again, I have to do a pin code. Wow, look at my mouse. Wow, it crashed when I didn't even do code. I hope it don't take like 1 hour to this. Or 1 hour. It can't take do that. There. Now it's there again. Sorry for the raging, but don't take it for long to tell you what it is. There's a fixing screen. I'm gonna see something. Sorry for not holding the camera. This. What are you doing? Okay, I think I should turn off and try to fix it later. And when you there, no one wanna install Windows as you wanna it is. So that's it for today's video. But my PC here is not gonna work, so I'll have to record videos on my phone or tablet. So thank you for watching my videos on PC. And someday it will be fixed and I can use my PC again. So bye guys.